Hi people again. We need potatoes, tomato, Arabian, and this, and pepper. It's very simple. And this, and need this, salt, and this. Okay, first we need potatoes, and we peel potatoes in a simple method. Yes, in simple method, it's very easy. Yes. Okay. We finished the first. Like this. Okay. This one is finished, and we peel other potatoes. Yes, like this. It's not difficult, it's very simple. All people, we can do it. And when we finished potatoes, we peel Arabian. Okay, now we finished potatoes, and now we peel Arabian. It's very simple. Okay, like this, and like this, and good.
Yummy.
We peel Arabian on the side, like this. It's very simple, like this. Yes, it's very simple, like this. And the second two we peel on the side, like this. Yeah. Okay, we finish Arabian. Now we peel pepper. Yes, it's very simple. We cut pepper like this, and clean its form in the side, like this. Yes. Second, and this is all. We meet in another part. Thank you very much for watching.